Hey everyone, this is a really unique storm going on here. I mean, everything in here is just covered. I mean, just look at the posts and everything around here is just, it's like, okay, we got a bit of snow blowing around here, adding in, even over here. I mean, it's like, dang. And I already cleared this off once this morning. Oh man, it's getting slippery here, and I threw a bunch of ice melt down, but as you can see, it's just coming right back up over. I mean, I really piled it out here. And I mean, this thing here was really, I put a lot out here because I was trying to make a path out there. So when the grandkids come over in a little bit, and I tossed a bunch out here, you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but we're looking at inches out here, and the drifts up against the shop are huge. I mean, my poor coyote out there is just covered, and it's just been coming down big flakes just constantly. And the wind keeps changing direction from the west to the east, the north to the south. It's just can't make up its mind which way it's going to blow, and it's just So I'm gonna have to get out here in the next hour or so and actually shovel from here all the way out there so the kids can come over here because both parents are working today this afternoon. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh man, and just oh yeah, this is building up fast here. It's coming in this side here now. So all right, hope your weather's a little bit better. But this is our first real snowstorm of the season.